Hey guys, welcome back to the Summer of Knives 2020. I know a lot of guys have been asking for these reviews, and typically it's not really a review, it's more of showing my collection. Over the years I've collected a bunch of knives, and every summer of that year I try to show them, see what kind of collection that I'm into, and they're not all users. Some of them I just pocket carry, some of them are just for show, and some of them I'm just going to pass down to my kids. So we're going to start off with what I would consider to be grandpa knives. Alright, this is what you would see your grandpa on the porch with. Probably just go into his pocket and start peeling an apple. For me, it's always been the case knives. So this is a case. Let me just get it out here for you. This is the case black. It is the case XXWR pocket knife black synthetic tribal. Alright. What I really like about this knife, I do like the really smooth action, and again, it is a lockback, really nice lockback, but I like that drop point, really well done, very well polished. You're looking at chrome palladium, they call it a steel spear, closed, it's 4 1/8 inches. Great pocket knife for products around the house. Projects around the house. Made in Bradford, PA. This one might be sold out, but they typically sell for around 60 bucks, 55, 60 bucks. So not a very large knife, but really nice pocket carry. Big fan of that. I'll put the links down below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these knives. Alright, the second one is again another similar. This one is the whiskey bone. They call it the Case XXWR pocket knife worn whiskey bone CV tribal lock. It's a tribal lock again, 4 1/8 quarter inch. So 4 1/8 quarter inch. Again, really nice. I really do like that jig bone. Alright, really nice craftsmanship. You got some brass rivets right there. I mean, really clean too. So I haven't really put this knife through pretty much anything at all. Again, you're probably going to find it on the internet. This one is going for $69.99, probably because of the jig bone. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive. Alright, so this one's about 70 bucks. Again, I'll put the link down below. And for the next one, again, as you can see, I'm going with the tribal locks. I'm a really big fan of them. This one is in navy. I really think that this is the proper size for me. Nice bolsters. Again, this is the navy, and I think they call this one's the same thing. It's about $86.99. You guys probably know more about case knives than I do. I just look online and I look at the design and I look at the size. For me, this is like the perfect size. Fits in the pocket, super ultra slim. Big fan of those knives. And again, like I said, I'm going to be passing them down. The next one is the Stockman. Alright, the Stockman is one of the first case knives that I purchased. For me, this is a little bit too small. This one I think is in brown, synthetic Stockman. Closed, it's a 3" and 3/8. It's $43.60 on Amazon. Stainless steel clip. Made in Bradford, PA, blah 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 blah. Okay, so this has three blades. It has the main blade. It has the little trapping blade right there, or Skinner blade, and it has the third blade. All right, for me, this one was a little bit too small in my pocket, in my hands, but again, great starter piece. These come in a little bit cheaper. So this was 40. I want to say $43.60. So really not bad. $43.60 for that little case knife, and you can see the logo on there. So it's not bad. The last one I've been carrying around for quite a bit. I carried it out in the woods. It's not a case knife. It's a Bear & Sons. Bear & Sons Cutlery. This is called a Heritage Mini Trapper. Again, this for me, this is a, I forget what wood this is. It's walnut. Okay, so it's a walnut handle, 1095, made with silver bolsters, and it's 3.5 inches. Alright, this is a little bit cheaper. I think you're going with $33, $34, something like that. It is available on Amazon. For me, this was a good size. All right, I really like that size. This is not a lock back, so this has no locks whatsoever. It has the trapper knife on there, trapper Skinner, and then it has the regular plain blade. Alright, this one is in 1095, so you do have to take care of it. You do have to make sure that that you put some oil on that. So for me, these are the grandpa knives that I collected for the last couple of years. I haven't really gotten too much into it, but I highly recommend Case Knives, and of course Bear & Sons makes a good product. So if you're interested, go down below. I'll put all the links to my Amazon store. You could take a look. Purchase them, of course. Full disclosure, anything that you purchase on Amazon, I'll get like a $3 or a 30-cent kickback depending on how things work out. Also, if you're looking for a fixed blade knife, please go to 3riverblades.com. Thanks, guys.